How to fix Instagram enable to load image from gallery. Hello guys, so to fix this problem it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you would find the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps. Scroll and you find Instagram, click on it, go to the top here, click on force stop. Now after you click on the force stop option, go down, click on storage, click here on clear cache and clear data, and then go down to the open by default option, click on open supported links in the app and choose always allow. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you later.